How's it going, guys? So it's been a while since I've made a video. It has been actually. So I wanted to make an update on the hatch and what I've been doing with it. So basically nothing, but it's got a new motor. So I'm gonna pull it out, get it started, and we're just gonna do a little walk around of the car and see where it's at now. I haven't touched the hatch in a while, so she's just been chilling in the garage, taking up space. Really, I really want to get working on her again and start making videos about it. I gotta go shovel outside because there's snow, so I gotta shovel the way. And we're gonna get it started. Alright, that should be good enough. Alright, now that I got all the snow and stuff out the way, I'm just kind of clean up around the car. But I'm going to get it started now so it can warm up while I clean it. Hopefully she fires up first try. Yeah, there's stuff under there too. So I got to go get my battery from inside. So we're just going to toss her in and see if she cranks and fires up. So I had this Johnny on a trickle charger inside for honestly only really a day. But it's been inside for months. So let's fire this thing up and see if she starts. Hasn't ran in a long time. Like a long time. Oh. Better. Alrighty. Let's see what happens. Kind of nervous, to be quite honest. It's been a while since I've sat in the seat. Still smells the same though. That's good. Okay, that's good. Damn. Alright, ready? Whew. Holy shit! There we go! That's mint. So I'm just gonna back it out right now and then give a quick walk around and talk about the car. So let's just do that. Let's get out of this little space. Alright, so it's cold outside, so I'm gonna try and make this pretty quick. So yeah, this is my 99 EJ6. So it's the EK hatch, whatever you want to call it, EJ hatch, I don't really care. But I picked this up with a blown D16 Y7, which I'm actually not sure if it's still in my garage. I may have, it's behind that pile of garbage, don't even look at that. But stock D16 Y7, it had a blown clutch and no compression in one of the cylinders. So I picked up this B18 C1, it's an Integra GSR motor, and I slapped this in here in about a weekend. I did try and make a video of it, but I didn't really follow through, so I guess we're gonna update it now. So I took the car to the track and it spun a rod bearing, but I fixed the rod bearings and now it runs again, but I can hear it knocking, so it's probably gonna go again soon. It's lowered on Yanaka coils, it's got GSR blades and a Yanaka catback, and rear seats have been removed. Not much of a deal, but yeah. So my plans for the car, goals and stuff, or what I want to do with it. Basically, I want to take you guys with me when I build and boost this thing. So that's the long-term goals. I want to go turbo on the B18 or find another motor to swap in it. So it's good to know she still runs because I actually haven't driven the car in a long time. So that's basically that. You know, not really much else to show you guys, but that's the whole point of this build. Basically, want to get this thing running real nice, real good. Want to go fast with it, take it to the track, and Mexico too, so you guys will see videos there, lining up with some of the other Honda guys. But yeah, I'm gonna pull this back in the garage, maybe let it warm up some more. But thanks for watching this video. This is the first of many to come. It's 2018, January 1st of this, when I'm recording this, January 1st. So let's see how far we can take this.